Hello, friends. Now we are talking about DMX swimming pool light. You will see for the swimming pool light there are 6 cables. This black cable and red cable. This for power supply negative pole, power supply positive pole. This white cable and the brown cable. This is for data. White cable for data A. Brown cable for data B, and this is the PI for adjustable. So this one we don't need to use, just leave it, okay? So we have to use these 4 cables. And this is our controller, and this is our power supply waterproof. You will see you need 0.3 square meter cables for data A and data B. This one is GND. This GND cable you have to use 2.5 square meter or more, and this one we have to connect to the power supply, the black cable, power supply electric pole, and we also use this wire for power supply electric pole. Okay, and now first we have to give power to all the swimming pool light. Now let's do it. Now, the red color is for power supply positive pole. We connect to this power supply, and the black cable for power supply negative pole. Then we have to use tabs to protect it. Okay, the first one we done. Then we give the power to the second lamp. Also, you just need to connect power supply cables first. Black cable for power supply electric pole, and red cable for power supply positive pole. Then use tabs to protect it. You have to do all 60 pieces like this. First, just give power to connect the power supply. Use 2.5 square meter wires. Now, we light up the controller and the light. Then, now, this is hand adjustable. You just need to connect A and B. White cable of the light connect to A. Brown cable of the light connect to B. Okay, then switch on the adjustable. Then we adjust. Now here says this one start from the pixel. We have to write down 0001 for the first lamp. Then adjust. After adjust, the light comes to green color. This means successful. The first one adjust finish. And you also have to here reconnect, recheck to this one, and to make sure this is 0. You have to make sure it's 001. Okay, so the first lamp we have finished adjust. We adjusted the first pixel, then we connect data A, this brown cable to data B, and connect white cable to data A. Then the first one. Then we use tabs to protect it. And be careful, cannot be made these two put together without any protection. Okay, so the first one ready. Then we come to the second pixel. The second pixel we have to use this machine we have to use this hand adjustable machine to adjust first. The white cable connect to data A. Brown cable connect to data B. Switch on the machine. then adjust, and we have to choose the start from 0 to 2 because this is the second lamp. Adjust. After adjust successful, it will become to green color. Then we have to reconnect to make sure this is the second pixel. Okay, the second one we have finished. Then after we adjust, we have to connect white cable to data A to the controller, and brown cable to data B to the controller. Then we use tabs to protect it. All the lamp we have to do like this. Every lamp we have to give power, then adjustable, then connect to the power supply. All the 60 pieces have to do like this. After we adjust, these two lights will be synchronized. So we change effects. Two lights will be same effects.